Thank you everyone for watching our videos and subscribing to our channel. We've now crossed an incredible 11 million views since starting Printer Tales. Our goal has always been simple, to help you fix your printer issues on your own through our videos. And if the problem still persists, don't worry. That's where we step in. To make things easy, we offer a simple one-time support option at $99. With this plan, our technician connects with you remotely and resolves your issue quickly. This includes PC optimization, removing unwanted apps, updating drivers, and setting up your printer over Wi-Fi or LAN. And here's our promise. You pay only after your problem is resolved. If we can't fix it, you don't pay. We provide 24/7 remote support and have already helped thousands of users fix their PC, laptop, and printer issues. If you find our videos helpful and want to support us, consider joining our YouTube community. And once again, thank you for helping us reach 11 million views. Your support truly means a lot.